Okay, got lots of. Um, I'm going to put my mug up in the corner for today. I apologize for the other day. Well, yesterday, I was getting emails from students. I was going, "What, have you lost your mind? You can't read Blackboard?" I realized, oh my goodness, I forgot to open. I opened up everything inside the course content. Inside the folder for you to do the lab, but I forgot to open the overarching lab one, make it available so that you all could view it until about 6:15 this morning when I was getting ready for my lecture, my 8:30 lecture this morning. So I was like, oh dear. Um, anyway, I apologize for that. Now we're going to actually look at the pre-lab. These videos are for the pre-lab, and then I'll make another set of videos on how to do the actual lab, which the actual lab is pretty simple because, like I said, all you're doing is you're going to, in millimeters, because you're going to have to convert to meters, so try and find a ruler. Most rulers now will have millimeters on one side. In fact, I wouldn't use one this small. I'd use one about this size. And then, hold it here and have people drop the thing, and you'll calculate their reaction time, and you'll have to determine where they catch it, because my big old fat fingers, they're smashing about, almost a centimeter just by looking at it. So you got to determine, there's a lot of room for error there. All right, but that's basically that. But let's look at what the pre-lab has to say. Okay, first of all, with the pre-lab, what you're going to have to do is how to conduct an experiment. Now, where did I find that? Okay, how to conduct an experiment website. All right, and I've already gone there, so let's go to that how to conduct an experiment website. And I am sorry if it's kids science projects and all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, well, wait a minute. It's not that it's not that I want to treat you like children. It's because they're the most straightforward. They're the most straightforward ones. They say what I want you to find out. So here it goes. Scientists come up with many great ideas, and it's just straightforward. What are the steps? So you can, in other words, in this website, hypothesis, what is a hypothesis? Experimentation. In other words, you read that, results and discussion, conclusion, writing the report. That's all part of that's the breakdown of doing a lab right there. I mean, how to conduct science experiments. There it is. Now, sometimes I kind of got away from this, and in some of the labs you'll see is I just want you to go out and do this cool thing, all right, which is also fine, and write down some data from it, things like that. Anyway, so go to that webpage, and it has all kinds of information on there that you will be asked when you get to your pre-lab. Okay, so let's take a look at what the pre-lab actually has to say. All right, I've done the intro. Next video, we'll actually look at the pre-lab.